tourism uh, by the end of the next month, September 28th to 30th, the first domestic call is going to come. Then later part of the month, in the month of October, the international cruise will start. This will be up to April fair season, and we expect more than around 21 cruise vessels international, around 35 cruise vessels domestic. And as you all know, the international cruise terminal at Goa, we have started a new cruise terminal construction at a cost of 74.11 crores. And the new cruise terminal will be 55,000 square meters in area. And this will be completed by 30th of September 2023. Till that time, we will be operating the domestic as well as the international cruise from the existing old cruise terminal. That's about the thing. We had a series of meeting because during the COVID period, as you all know, the domestic cruise as well as the foreign cruise has come to a standstill. After the COVID, for the first time, we are again starting the domestic as well as international cruise. So we want to make the experience for domestic passengers as well as the international packs as comfortable, as memorable as possible. And as a part of this, the SOPs are already in place. SOPs for customs, SOPs for immigration, SOPs for the CASF, SOPs for the operators, and SOPs for the operators, and SOPs for the port. Everything is in place. So respective organization should follow the SOPs. While issuing the SOPs, central government has made thrust so that there is ease of doing business, whether submission of documents, digitized, e-landing process, digitized, e-visas, automated, like that everything they have made things easy. So we are very confident that whoever comes to Goa as a part of the domestic or foreign cruise, they will have the first cruise vessel will be between 28th to 30th of next month.
So the Angria vessel is likely to start again, resume operations because
They said that they will take another 2 months. Probably it will be November, December. That's what she was saying. The representative was saying.
so it is likely to start again.
Yeah,
Resume
it will
operations
start.
again.
It will start. And there is tremendous potential for domestic cruise in India. People really want to have the experience of cruise.
So there was a proposal for the ropeway also from tourism.
Ropeway proposal is there. Certain clearances have to come. CRZ clearances, environment clearances are required for that. If that happens, it's good.
How much important this cruise tourism is for Goa and
See,
MP
just
also?
imagine when a cruise liner comes to any port, whether it is Goa, Mangalore, Cochin, or anywhere. On average, each cruise vessel carries around 3,000 packs passengers. These people, they are mostly Europeans, Americans, Canadians, high worth, high net worth individuals mostly, and they are all many are senior citizens. On average, when a pax gets down at a port, say Goa, he spends average 100 to 150 US dollars per head per visit. And when a cruise vessel comes, minimum in a city like Goa, 2,000 people will disembark from the cruise vessel. So just imagine, average I am talking 2,000 multiplied by 100 US dollars multiplied by say 70 rupees. Take on the lower side 70 rupees. That is the amount of money that will flow into Goa per call of a cruise vessel. So imagine 52 vessels when they come, one after the other. So in a span of 4 to 5 months, 52 multiplied by 100, multiplied by again 2000 people passengers multiplied by 70 rupees. That's the amount of money that we are going.